Hola a todos y todas, soy Profe John y esta es la semana 15. Para esta semana tenemos poco trabajo. Esta semana prácticamente terminamos nuestra clase. ¿Qué es lo que hemos hecho hasta ahora? Hemos hecho las composiciones, hemos hecho los voice thread, hemos hecho las presentaciones orales y también el midterm. Ahora lo único que nos falta, además de los VHL, nos falta el lección 5 del módulo 5 y el examen final que es oral. Si vamos directamente a D2L, vamos a encontrar en Content que ya está disponible el módulo 5. ¿Sí? Por favor, revisen el overview, cómo utilizar Zoom, similar a la vez pasada, y también, por favor, lean las instrucciones para el examen final. Va a ser el viernes 7 de diciembre. Acá están algunas instrucciones. Por favor, léanlas y escojan un tiempo. ¿Sí? 1 hora para hacerlas. Ahora, obviously, I made sure that this time it works. And as you can see, you open the link. By the way, go to the week of the exam and you have a schedule for the morning and for the afternoon. So just choose one per group. And please make sure that you're going to put your name. Put your name here. ¿Sí? Your names in this case, because it's in pairs. Ahora, ¿qué es lo que tenemos para el módulo? Simplemente lo último que tenemos es, de acuerdo a due dates, es VHL, last homework, y lo último, la entrevista, que va a ser el 7 de diciembre. It means next Friday. Not this Friday, next Friday. And that's all, guys. Everyone there, we are done. We have enjoyed this classroom. Okay, I have enjoyed it. And basically, I will miss you, people. I'm so excited to see you again, at least for the last time in 2 weeks. In a week, more or less, a week and a half. And it would be the last time we are going to meet together. So, as you remember, okay, if you remember my first presentation, my first introduction, I have like a tradition. Let's say it's a tradition. It's a tradition that I have with all my students. Obviously, it's optional, but it's with all my students. And this is related to what I do. Basically, remember that I'm a professor of modern languages. But the most important thing here I want to tell you is the courses I have to. I have to several courses during the last 6 years, 7 years more or less. And all of them I have the advantage, the fortune of meet several people for everywhere in the world. So you are no exception. So I wonder right now how I'm going to do my selfie of last day of the classroom, taking into account that we are working online. So I'm wondering if you don't mind to create a collage of selfies of yourself and me, or I don't know, this is optional, but this is something meaningful for me because I cannot forget, this is the word, I cannot forget names. And probably we are going to meet in the future or not. But take into account that you can count on me. It doesn't matter if I'm your professor or not. Yeah? Just email me and that's all. So make sure, as I told you last week, besides if you do the collage, picture with me, I will be happy. Just make sure that you have completed the TCE evaluation. I'm going to give you all 10 points on the lowest composition rough draft. And the important thing is that you're going to do the TCE. Yeah? You can look in your emails because I have emailed you. Later I'm going to email you. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you around. Prepare yourself for the exam, complete the VHL homework, and good luck. Adios.